Hey everybody! Today I am making this. This is the cute little macaroon from the Dollar Tree with the Dollar Tree gems that light up. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? Alright, continue watching for the rest of the video. I just want to say that today's video is the third video of May for Craft Every Day. It's a challenge that's put on by Janscrazylife. So she challenged all of us to be creative every day, to create something. So today is day 3, and this is what I have created. Alright, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to look at the rest of the video. But also, everybody that's part of this challenge is going to be in the caption box below. Please go like their channels, subscribe to their channels, check out their crafts. We're all going to be making something fabulous every day in May. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a shout out to Janscrazylife. Alright everybody, enjoy! Hey everybody, I'm here with a craft. See this? Newest thing at the Dollar Tree. So, I was looking at it going, what can I do with that? And I thought about putting my initials on the top in vinyl, or my name. And then I had gotten these. I thought these were really cute at the Dollar Tree. They're LED tea light candles, and they change colors. And when you put when you put these little diamonds in, over this, they light up. So let me give you a quick for instance. Okay, look at that, right? See it's changing colors? And when you pile this up, look at that. Can you see that? Let me shut off the other light. Look at how pretty that is, right? Okay, so this is what I was thinking. I thought, how cute would this be if I could situate them in there so that I can close this, right? Glue them together, but not glue this together so that you can change the battery in it, right? So basically, I've got to glue all these around this. So I'm going to use my glue gun, the new $4 one. Let's see how it works. And let's see how many times I can burn my finger. Oh, God help me, no. Okay. Alright. And this is my cute little Dollar Tree mat. Alright, let that heat up. It's heating up. So I was thinking this. I'm thinking that I want to keep that straight. I really just wanted to... Alright, let's figure this out. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to do it. Okay. So I'm going to put some glue. Did you see what I just did? I just dropped the glue because I want to make sure that this stays center. So as soon as I put glue on one, I want to add this around. They kind of almost go together, like puzzle pieces. So my goal is to try to keep this in the middle. I don't know how I'm doing it, I'm just doing it. And you're not going to be able to see the glue, so I'm not too worried about that. So I'm just dropping a drop of glue on. And we're going to see how this works. Okay, so basically I should have should have a ring of some sort. Right there. So I'll add a drop of glue there. And drop of glue there. And I want to make sure that this fits in there. Just like that. Alright. So now I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to make sure that it's not glued to it. You're just going to have to play around with it as best you can. So if that's in there like that, I just want the diamonds to sit around it. And I don't want to glue onto this. So I'm just going to start gluing these diamonds on for now and see how that works. I feel like I should be singing hi-ho, hi-ho, right? Because of the diamond mine with Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I'm not getting any glue on the lamp itself because I want to be able to remove that to change the battery. But my goal is this. I want to be able to close this. How cute is that coming out? Isn't that adorable? So, just play around. See that? It's all coming together. And I burnt my finger once. And then I just want to take it and put it back in. See? I want it to be removable. And I want to add a drop of glue right there. And I want those to kind of connect. I know it's probably very difficult to see, but as long as you can verbally follow me, listen to me. Did I say that right? If you can just follow my verbal instructions. There's so many flat parts of the diamonds that it should work. Okay. And it went back in, right? I want to make sure I can close my lid. So just keep testing. Maybe add a drop of glue, add your diamond, and then test your cover. That's not a bad idea. This way it pushes it to where it needs to be. Oh, I like that idea. Yep, I do. You don't have to use all the diamonds either. But there's, you know what? There's 2 more left. I bet you that we can. Let's see if that fits. Give it a good squish. Gotta get the glue off of there now. Oh, how adorable. And I'm thinking right there. And then I'm just going to take my lid and I'm going to close it and get that jewel in position. Oh, I think I love it. All right, let's see. Okay, so now it doesn't close anymore. Let's see. Okay, closed, opened. I can remove this to change that light bulb and to shut it off. Then I could put this back. Make sure I don't have it so that I think this is activated by, let me show you. When you get it, you have to take the paper out of here. And as long as this presses on the battery, it's going to turn on. So you might have to flip the battery over to shut her down. Just turn the battery over and it should shut it off. And then you can close it. You could give your and there you have it. Then you open it up and there's your diamonds. How cute is that? And then I want to get a shot of it. Just, I guess I ought to add a little bit more glue to certain spots. These are so cute. Let's take a picture. Let's get a shot of it with. So I'll flip that battery back over and then I will turn it till it comes on, and there it goes. So I told you, once that spring hits that battery, sorry, I'm all thumbs today. And it's on. Put that there. And look, it's changing colors. There's the blue. Look at that. Purple. Isn't that adorable? I just thought that was so cute. Oh my God, and look. You can make it so that the lid doesn't close all the way, and it gives you like this diamond glistening effect. Alright, thanks everybody for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you real soon. Bye!